my family home. We are going to visit the crocodile. Yes, we are going to visit the crocodile.
We are going to meet it there. Yes.
And have a conversation.
Ready.
And have a conversation.
I'm going to talk to it.
Why is slow?
Tell it, member driving them.
Drive a car. Let
me ride inside.
No man does. No man wants to know.
My member.
And I say, wait, so we are taking off right now on the boat. Yes. We are going to visit the crocodile.
Yes.
We're
going to have conversation.
Make I hold you. On this cage, look at the riders. There for you, and there they go. They can go visit the crocodile right now, okay? Ciao.
See you later.
Yes, you can do.
And I'm one point Sunny Ako.
Oh, yes, we are now.
Yeah, I was all. Who's in one? Why is him right? I can't want to remember that.
Amen.
Don't worry, when the crocodile is coming out, let's start it.
It's any security now, you got you. Security on the boat.
Security. If you do video
canoe on our boat,
we do for you here.
What's the canoe on our boat?
Video the riders.
I'm doing. Any canoe.
Video the riders.
Fire research.
Your location.
Yeah.
Video the riders. Else,
boss man. It's more. We know how many years now.
Every day the water top. Yeah. How your Christmas?
Hello.
How you sign. My intro. Don't worry.
Okay.
Designed by Mr. Hansen, Mr. Chris Hansen. The water is about 8 feet down. It was designed by Mr. Hansen. He was a fish farmer and he's still a fish farmer. So he decided to have the place as a fish farming pond. It wasn't like this, it was just a bare land like the one that we see outside. So he just bought the place to come and stay. Whilst he was staying there, he decided to do a fish farming at where the statues of the crocodiles are. You can see that, right? Yeah. But he realized that instead of fishes to become big, they weren't becoming big. So he got a fish net to fence around it and realized that there is a crocodile in the pond eating the fishes up. That's how come the fishes are not becoming big. That is our oldest and our first crocodile that we see. It is 49 years old now. It is called, it's still alive. It's called Saddam Hussein.
Wow. Is that the female?
It's a male crocodile. He has bomb. He has a lot of bomb. So the very day that senior Saddam Hussein was arrested, that was the very day that crocodile was seen on September 30th.
Whoa. So, but by the mention of Mr. Hansen, so Hans Cottage was taken from Hansen.
Yes, Mr. Hansen is a Ghanaian. He's a born-bred Ghanaian. He just carried a name like we carry Christian names. Mr. Hansen, Mr. Kwesi Hansen. Yeah. The water is about 8 feet. I said there is catfish, there is tilapia, there is water snakes, there are crocodiles. Water snakes? Yes. There are catfish, there are frogs. There are lots of aquatic stuff in the water that we don't know the name. So if you are thinking of swimming, don't worry, you can start. We are ready. I was waiting for you while you come back. Okay. Just give me your opinion.
But the crocodile, isn't that friendly? Say we are in case anyone should fall right now.
That's why you're wearing life jacket. Me, I didn't wear something. I'm not. So our crocodiles are the most friendly type crocodiles. Why? Because they see human beings every day, most of the time. And crocodiles bite and they swallow. They are not alligators. Crocodiles they bite and they swallow. When they swallow, it takes maximum of 8 hours to digest in their stomach. Unlike alligators, they chew. They digest very fast and they are waiting closer to them. That's how come our crocodiles are so. And they love human beings. We are taking pictures with them. They love it.
So we can take pictures with them.
We don't have alligators in Ghana. We have alligators in Ghana, like the population increased by 50%. Let's go for
This is a crocodile.
The crocodile is married to a very beautiful wife called
Sandra.
Sandra, very beautiful wife called Sandra. She's very beautiful.
But I don't understand. I don't know if you did the riders on this route. You just put the paddle on the water. Okay.
In Jabusia, you know, some might be there. We are live. Hands Cottage. When you're swimming, yeah, boaty, yeah, boaty.
We are bolting. We are bolting. We are bolting.
Ní ọba ẹ̀sọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ kìfà lóhùn rẹ̀.
Where's it?
Who do not show that? Aside a morning.
I mean, you funny. Me, your coat out.
What about Africa? Hey, you don't know.
Africa.
But Bossman, the island we have here, was it created intentionally?
Intentionally done. Okay. Intentionally done for the beauty and pleasure of man and for the place. We have 4 islands on there. So it was intentionally done. As I said, it's a land. It was just a bare land like this. Those are the remainings that we have used to form the fence. So when we planted a tree on the island that you see over there, then the birds started coming themselves. You have the yellow ones, we call them the waving birds. They wave the round nest that you see. You can see the 2-story bedroom house, 3-story bedroom house.
Apartments.
This side is the estate and the one back is the zongo.
Jehovah.
So, Sina, why the color of this water and not ordinary?
Because it's a natural water.
Natural. Oh, Sina, we are turning so soon.
So then the people touches your head. You will wait for the rest of your life.
I thought we would go the other side and then make a round turn. Run about.
What is that poo? When the birds poo.
Okay.
The beauty is done in the evening when the birds all come around. The whole place is flooded with birds. That's when you see most of them coming. But now some of them are going to Benin. Some of them are going to. They come. Some of them are going to Benin to go to
The best.
Yeah.
But I did my
going to take a picture, just use 5 like personal picture. This is the time you can.
What is your first picture? Messiah.
And I want to sorry.
What the sunshine?
What a shine sign.
Okay.
What a shine sign.
What a shine sign.
So,
I'm not sure. Hello. Check this again. Hello, madam.
Wherever they are from, bring the crocodiles from. They have a very soft skin, just like our skin. Anything that you do that will hurt them, they will dare
The crocodile have soft skin.
Yeah, very, very soft, just like that. Oh yeah, let me feel your skin and see. Hey! The skin or no? Hey, that's too fast because when they pass there, the fan might get hit of them. When they pass over, the paddle will hit them. So they will just be walking at the banks of the water. That's the only time. So the water comes up and go down. When it rains, I said it's artificial. When it rains, it will just be coming up. When it stops raining, it will be going down. So it will go down. When it rains, it come up. So it's season and out of season. You understand?
So are you still using the fan?
No, we are not using the fan now. That's why we are holding the paddle.
but how do you maintain this during the dry season?
During the dry season. During the dry, I didn't say season. Edit that part. Edit time. Okay.
Dry season.
Dry season, yeah.
Yes.
So we still use the paddle. We don't use the fan has a very long tail. It goes down into the water. You go grab the mat. So when it goes down, no boat riding again to the extent that it's dangerous. So we care about human beings. That's why we are always putting you on life jackets. Me, I'm not wearing some. When you go to the crocodile grounds, you'll be holding a stick. In case the crocodile try any silly move, we just poke you with a stick. That's how come our crocodiles are very soothing. The Bible says spare the rod and spare the crocodile.
So why are you not wearing life jackets?
It's more than tilapia.
Crocodile itself. But Bossman, has there been any instance where the crocodile attacks any other visitor?
There has never, and I put it on record, never has been any casualty. Never. Our crocodiles, even if they see another crocodile attacking you, they'll come and fight the other crocodile attacking you.
Whoa.
Unless if you have them film class.
Yeah. That one guy will post them at the gate. They won't enter. If they are going, they will take me too. So we don't know. We have counted 19 crocodiles so far. We only know if a male and a female ones are black and female ones are brown. They have more brownish spots. We only know maximum 15 eggs. They lay 15 at the banks of the water. That's the only time they.
So for how long do they lay?
For 3 months.
3 months.
Yes.
3 months each they lay another leg, so how?
They get married for 3 months just to watch the eggs to hatch. The eggs hatch.